page am I doing?
What? I'm making my mom read. Show me your monkey. Emmy, show me your monkey.
Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Can I have kisses? Oh.
Emmy.
Emmy. Emmy. Show Brody your monkey.
You have a monkey? Do you?
Yeah, look at this. In that bush, there are so many bees.
Bring it.
We got 3 in here. And then 2 earwigs, and then a yellow jacket, and 3 more of these bees.
The jumping spider got away. 2 samies in nails.
I think I got a good idea.
Oh, put them all in that.
This fun, Cardi. 1, 2, 3.
He got away.
Did we lose one? Uh-huh.
We lost the best.
He was in that cup. Okay, ready? No, I got a good one still.
Holy cow.
There's one hold on, I think there's one way up top.
Did I see?
Oh. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2. 3. Ready? 1, 2. Don't hold it.
Ow. Can you do that and I'll shake?
You have to hold it though. Okay, and wait till he falls. Okay? Right when he falls, then you can take that off. Where did he go? Okay, shake it. Oh, he didn't fall. Ah! Right now! Now! Do you hear it? He's down. No, he's not. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. How about somebody? Why aren't you lifting it up? No, Kenny, we're supposed to lift it up right there. No. Okay, bring it back up. If you would have lifted it up right there, we would have. Where is it?
Over here.
Ready? Okay, right. Kenny. Now.
You said now.
Well, you lifted it up way too late.
Trying to get bees.
Got one. Got one.
Got a lot.
Yeah?
Here, let's see if you guys can hear it.
Hear this?
Yes. That is cool. All the bees is in nail.
There's a shake. There's a.
The bees is in that. See him in there? Yep.
He's still taping.
See, guys?
You weren't even looking. Give me 2 cups.
There are all the bees in nail.
You got 2 pliers. You probably want to sting me right now. Guys, let's see if we can. Let's give all the bees a break and see if we can go find a real.
Not right now, Maddie. Still okay?
We caught a spider, but not yet.
I see him. Yes, that's a dead one.
That's it.
A jumping spider?
There he is.
Like it's an enormous spider.
He jumped.
You fell?
No, he jumped.
Somewhere down in there. I bet that is jumping spider.
Alright, we're in need of a little R&R, so we're heading to the wave to surf that giant hole. And Grady wants to try his loop in there again, and he's telling me to try my loop, and I keep telling him I don't have a loop. But he wants me to try the loop anyway, which is basically going to mean me going in there and being window shaded and having a lot of fun trying to get back out, so we'll see how that goes.